Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, I'm going to show you some things in TickTick you might not know. So let's get to it. As you see here, I have opened up here on my desktop the app for TickTick. So I have finished my morning routine here, which I have some things that I need to do. Okay. Now, this time block here I have set up in a specific way. I have a checklist, but also I have some subtasks. Now, I need to go ahead and click off on the tasks that were actually due today. But if you notice, I also have some tasks that are due on another day. Well, when I click off these tasks, like I've already done, and then I click off these tasks, you see the dates change here, but this doesn't. But now, guess what? This task is still in here, right? It's still right there. So what do I do? Now, the other two tasks that were in there for the front desk schedule and the housekeeping schedule, they're gone, but this is still there. What do I do? I've checked these off for today, and now I've checked all of these off that were pertinent, and now they've rolled over to another day. Well, the thing is that unlike other checklists that you might have that you check off and the actual task disappears, it's not going to happen in this case because I have subtasks that are associated with this main time block. And unless all of these are checked off, and they can never be because they're recurring tasks, unless all these are checked off or deleted, this time block will never disappear. However, it will disappear if you click right here. This section right here is like a checkbox. So like when you're here on these, you have a checkbox here, right? Well, this is also a checkbox. It's just got a little indicator over there letting you know that there's a checklist in this. Once I click this, it goes away, okay? Now, if you go and you look at, let's say, tomorrow's right here, right? You'll see the checklist is unchecked, as well as these are still here with the same dates on them because they're subtasks. They're like mini tasks inside of a main task. And so now it's back to normal. So I can continue on the next day when that day comes. So I kind of just wanted to show y'all this quick little tip here on how to handle checklists inside of a task that also has subtasks in it. So I hope you all found this episode useful. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And if you want to see more episodes like this in the future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. With that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care.